So hi guys, it's me your Charles and welcome to my story 1. So it's my first story part 1, and for this part we're going to talk about what is the song all about. My latest single, third single, is now available on Spotify, Apple Music, and stream. The music video is available on YouTube. So just type in Sabotage New Charles music video, it will pop up. And yeah, so the song is all about the sabotagers sabotaging the victims. It's all about fighting on how the victims fight and how the victims defeated the sabotagers, and it's all about fighting, and it's all about how their fighting spirit won. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you want further, you can check out